Yeah.
I'll be sure y'all, I'll be in the streets, AR for patrol cars.
Fake niggas, I hate niggas, my 8 triggers. Shots hit you, a block pictures, so rock quicker. Gotta get it, a liberty cowards just visit. Increasing my dues, you know I handle business. I'm the wizard, the OZ, you know me. Niggas is brainless, no heart, they phony. Type of one academy, faggots my homies. All up on my lonely, getting money is the only. These niggas is fake thugs, they deserve a Tony, not a tiger. Nigga never was a fighter. Light your shit on fire, yo, the walkie got me higher. Gotta watch out for the wire, pussy use a liar. Talking all that sweet shit, you weak bitch. Letting all the secrets and loose slip. New clips for amusement. When I spark, raise up like Rosa Parks. Part of my friends, but sometimes I get kinda peeved at these weak MCs. What you looking for? You on the floor? I'm a rap king, you's an amateur. I'm a friend, but sometimes I get kinda
going in right
peeved
now.
at these weak MCs. What you looking for? You on the floor? I'm a rap king, you an amateur.
That's so hot.
You go 6ix9ine?
Niggas call cops. Yeah, that was so hot. Fuck around and make the niggas call cops. That was so hot. Fuck around and make you niggas call a cop. That was so hot. Fuck around and make you niggas. I was born to hustle, need no practice. Soul cabbage, wet eat pills and keep cold traffic. Block jump like kids in the old matches. Niggas is hating. Broke bastards, maxes, dope stacking. Wanna knife it out cause you know tactics. Back in the day, time shoot together, see who get post fast. Well, it just so happens I hold rats. Don't want beat. Take my advice. Get ghosted and go. I like that shit. I say,
Now who's the money maker? Watch me pull a paper. All your fucking haters can't catch my drink. Quick lift from the hip, put it in your shit. Yes, I'm the great, kill more than tri-state. In your face, I know you can't wait. It's my turn, yo, the game is mine. I give you no more time, you lost your lifeline. I got all of mine, pop, that's the line. For any nigga, what my money on his mind. Should've handled the business, what is this? Get your brain fragments on your new kicks. Yeah, that's how I do it, I thought you fucking knew it. Until you looking for it, why did I have to do it? For that fast buck, your ashes got fucked. The gun came untucked, hoodie that matched up. Boy, I gotta eat, yo, I pray on the weak. The lions pray on the weak, you won't let the weak. This pussy real sweet, so I'ma beat. Yo, ass asleep, we rest in peace. While I hop in Jeeps, we play for keeps.
Yo.
You go 6ix9ine?
So yo, I say. Yo. Run get police when you see the bull bring heat. Guns, bullets about the size of a Twinkie. I want you bring your pistol thinking that it's real sweet. Watch the A&R send me flip cars and rock jeeps. You don't think so? Put up money cause I like to bet. Pop the chrome, open domes like a fighter jet. If I catch niggas stunting riding the Lambos, I clap at 'em. Make the nigga drive in the lamppost. Look, type of shit I'm on, they hating and starving. So watch your conversation about caking and balling. Cause I beg your pardon, just to hear you plead the case. Soon as you lie, put slugs in the meat of your face. I make niggas scared shaking their space boots. Cause they fear a Debo type nigga that take loot shit. You pass bitch more like a fag that ain't lost much. You like to walk around with your dick and balls tucked. You just sucker motherfucker, stay away from me. I put you in the category with them haters.